Okay, selamat petang semua. Very good afternoon. Today we are going to learn Form 5 MS topic. Of course, kalau Form 4 student kamu nak dengar boleh juga. Cuma mungkin ini sebab ini adalah part 2 untuk bab pengamiran. This actually is part 2 for integration. Anyone here got join my part 1 before? Siapa pernah join part 1 punya video? I mean part 1 trial class before. Ada tak? Ada, okay, good. Okay, so for those who didn't join for part 1, okay, after that you can watch the video in YouTube lah, okay? Teacher got a YouTube channel. Kamu boleh search SPM Malaysia, okay? You can go and see my video for part 1. Then for part 2, this one is integration volume, okay? Ini untuk Isipadu. Okay, part 1 is about area, luas sahaja kan? Okay, so before that, teacher want to know how many of you is first time join my class? Siapa first time join punya? Anyone? Okay, oh, ada raise hand juga. Okay, boleh? Raise hand or comment also can. Okay, quite many. Okay, so before that, teacher want to ask, have you enter this chapter in your school? Sudah masuk tak topik ini dekat sekolah kamu? Sudah. Yes, oh belum. Okay, ada juga yang belum. Tengah masuk. Sudah masuk. Okay, so integration actually related to few things lah. Okay, few things. So sebelum tu, kamu sudah sediakan pen, paper kamu boleh tulis sikit nota lah. Okay, you can write down some notes. A little bit confused for this chapter. Okay, yeah, it's true. That's why kamu kena sangat clear tentang soalan ini. Apa yang dia nak tanya? Okay, we talk about integration. What actually integration? Why we need to do integration? Kenapa kita nak buat pengamiran? Ada beberapa kita punya fungsi. Okay, first one. Okay, for example, why after y we start from y first lah. We start from dy dx. Kamu sudah masuk dy dx kan? Pembezaan. Okay, dy dx, y, luas, area, or volume. Okay, there is few objective. You can draw this one in your paper. Boleh lukiskan. Siapa ingat apa tu dy dx? What is dy dx? Dy dx is actually a gradient. Yes, gradient. Kecerunan. So, kecerunan tu adalah M saja kan? So, it's a M. Tapi kalau saya nak cari y equals to mx plus c, this one is for the tangent. Oh yeah, forget. This is a gradient of who? Gradient of tangent. Kecerunan tangent. So, tangent ini, okay, contoh lah, saya kena lukis sikit graf. Okay, contoh saya bagi kamu satu paksi x, paksi y. Okay, saya lukis sini. And then this is a curve. Sini satu curve. It's a quadratic curve. What is the shape or what is the function of the tangent? Apakah fungsi tangent? Is it a curve or is a straight line? Tangent tu satu garisan lurus ke ataupun lengkung? Lurus, straight line. Okay, for example, this is a tangent, right? Okay, this is a tangent. Ini tangent, but dy dx is the gradient of the tangent. Kecerunan tangent, dy dx. Okay, so macam mana kita nak cari balik lengkung dia? How to find the equation of the curve? Kita boleh guna pengamiran. We can do the integration. This is what we learned in part 1 already. Okay, part 1 kita sudah belajar, so I don't talk about this one. Pengamiran, integration. But after that, second thing is I can integrate my y. Y is curve. Okay, siapa tak tahu kamu boleh tulis y is the curve. Curve not necessarily curve line lah. It can be straight line. Okay, kalau saya nak cari luas ataupun Isipadu, I want to find the area or volume. I also can do second integration. Okay, second integration. So again, what is the purpose of doing integration? Apakah fungsi kita, apakah tujuan kita buat integrasi pengamiran? Got two function. Function one, from gradient of tangent or from dy dx lah. From dy dx, I want to find the function of curve, which is y. Saya nak cari fungsi lengkung saya. Fungsi lengkung, which is the blue color one. Then second thing, I want to find what? Second thing, I want to find from y, I want to find the area or volume. Saya nak cari luas ataupun isi padu di bawah kita punya lengkung. Okay, I want to find the area or volume. Okay, only two function. Two function. Basically three function. If you say area is one function, volume is one function, you got three function. Tiga. Okay, so now we focus on volume only. Isi padu saja. Okay, I give you some formula first. Before that. Okay, sini kamu nak screenshot. You can screenshot or you can write down your paper. I give you 10 seconds if you want to screenshot lah. This is to tell you what is the function, what is the purpose of doing integration. Kenapa kita buat pengamiran? Okay, part 1 kamu kalau belum tengok, kamu boleh tengok. Part 1 sudah bincang ini 1, 2. Y itu apa? Y itu fungsi kecerunan. Like y equals to 3x square plus 4x plus 3. Itulah. Okay, itu lengkung punya persamaan. Y equals to what? Okay, so now teacher give you some idea about volume. Because our purpose of today is learning volume. Kita nak cari isi padu. Okay, so for example, teacher give you two pasti y, pasti x. Okay, two line. For example, this one, I draw like this. Okay, I draw like this. Teacher say, I want you to find the volume. I want you to find the volume and zoom out a bit. Okay, macam ni lah. I want you to find the volume of this to this. Ini A, ini B. And then it revolve at x-axis. Dia berputar pada paksi x. Okay, berputar pada paksi x maksud dia macam begitu punya. I teach you how to imagine. Of course, if you cannot imagine, I will teach you another way. Okay, ini cara untuk imagine. Kamu nampak tak bentuk apa ni? Can you see a 3D? Who can see the 3D? Nampak tak? Something like this. Looks like cylinder lah, but it's not cylinder lah. Okay, look like cylinder, but not cylinder. I just want you to see. Can you able to see this 3D? Nampak 3D punya bentuk tak? Can Okay. So we are going to find the volume. Kita nak cari isi padu. Ingat, dia nak berputar pada paksi apa? They want to paksi x, betul. Paksi x. Dia nak berputar pada paksi x. X-axis. So, how to find the volume if there are x-axis? Okay, very simple. For this one, you need to add a pi. Pi, sebab dia nak x-axis, right? X-axis means you think you want to put dx or dy. Belakang nak tulis dx ke dy? Paksi x, dx. Correct. Paksi x, dx. Ada sound. Okay, can you please tell the friend that how to connect the audio? Suruh dia connect audio so dia tak dengar. Okay, so sini nak letak apa? Y square. Okay, y square. Kenapa? Sebab dx, paksi x memang dx. Kalau dx dalam mesti terbalik. Okay, x-axis, dx inside is y square. So now, same graph like this. I think I move this one here first. Okay, same curve. Okay, same curve this one. Teacher want you to evolve along the y-axis. Paksi y kali ini. Paksi y. So macam mana dia paksi y pula? Okay, you draw like this. Pantul. Then I draw a curve, not a curve lah, a circle. Can you see what shape is this? Macam bentuk apa ni? Cone, correct. Okay, this looks like a cone. Semua nampak ah? It looks like a cone here. Cone shape. So, how to find this one? Ini volume. First, teacher ask again. Ini dia berputar pada paksi apa? It's evolved at where? Paksi X. No, paksi Y. So, paksi Y kita buat apa? Paksi Y kita buat dy. Betul. So, if here I put dy, because it's y-axis, inside I put what? X square. Betul. X square. Ingat ah, sangat senang. Kalau dia berputar pada paksi X, dx. Kalau dia berputar pada paksi Y, dy. So, dalam mesti dx dalam y square. Kalau dy dalam x square. Okay? Okay, you can screenshot this one so that you understand how actually these two is same curve. Sama curve dia, tapi dia berbentuk lain sikit. Okay, satu macam ni, satu macam ni. Sebab ini paksi X, ini paksi Y. X-axis and Y-axis is different, the shape. So the formula also different. Okay? Sudah screenshot? Sudah. Okay, faham tak so far? Understand? Paksi X, dx. Paksi Y, dy. Okay, now teacher want to give you some question. Okay, soalan. Okay, you can see this one. They ask you to find the volume of the shaded region. Apa maksud Wait, let's see first. Kenapa? Oh, tak. Ini AB saya tak tertulis. Nanti kita buat AB ya. Later we see See the question. Okay, so cari Isipadu yang berputar, yang dikisar pada paksi X. Find the volume of the shaded region that rotate about the x-axis. Okay, nampak ayah ni? X-axis means dx or dy? X-axis? dx. Correct. So dx. Use what formula? Which equation? This equation, right? Okay, cikgu tanya. Volume pi, mesti ada pi lah. Okay, mesti ada pi for volume. dx. Inside I should put what? Dalam saya kena tulis y kuasa 2. Betul. Y square. So, what is the y square here? Adakah dia bagi x square tambah y square sama dengan 16. So, y square sama dengan apa? Change, rearrange 16 minus x square. Betul. Pindahkan kita punya x square ke sebelah kanan. So now you know already, oh, y square is 16 minus x square. So why not you just put inside this y square? Boleh tak terus masuk? Sub in, substitute. Can, right? Okay, so can, boleh. Okay, so pi, let's put in y square, I should put 16 minus x square. Sini letak dx. Okay, what is this? You need to see x, pasti x. Dari mana ke mana? From 1 to 4, correct. 1 to 4, 1 hingga 4. So here I should put 1 and 4. Okay, so far okay? First step, determine dx or dy. Second step, find the y square. Put in. Okay, third step, do integration. Okay, 16 we need to become what? 16 jadi apa? 16 x. Okay, remember? No x, we just put the x for them. Ini pengamiran. X square, kuasa 2 kena tambah 1. Ingat, kuasa tambah 1 bahagi kuasa. The power plus 1, so 2 plus 1, 3 over the power 3. So here, okay, we put in 1 to 4. So siapa yang masuk dulu? 4 masuk ke 1 masuk? 4 dulu. Okay, we will put in the 4 first. 16 times 4 minus 4 cube over 3 minus 16 times 1, masukkan yang 1, minus 1 cube per 3. Okay, cuba kamu kirakan bagi cikgu. Apa yang kamu dapat dalam sini? Tekan saja calculator. Just press your calculator. 27. 27. Is it 27? Everyone got 27? Okay, saya cikgu cuba juga tekan saya punya calculator. Okay, siapa tak ada calculator boleh tengok juga. 16 times 4 minus 4 cube per 3. Okay, then cikgu type hilang sudah. Minus 4 cube per 3. Then minus 16 times 1 minus 1 cube per 3. 27. Okay, good. So answer is 27 pi unit cube. Okay, unit cube. Okay, boleh tak? This is the final answer. This is a basic question first. Saya start dari soalan yang senang dulu. Boleh? Okay, good. Kalau tak boleh bagi tahu. Okay, go to the next question. Okay. Siapa nak screenshot saya bagi kamu 5 saat, kamu boleh screenshot sekarang. Okay, go to question B soalan B. Okay, this one. They want dx also. Okay, dx juga. Ingat formula? Part cx, so pi integrate dx. Who inside? Kalau dx, y kuasa 2, betul. Okay, so we are going to find apa y kuasa 2 dia? Do they give? Yes. Okay, they give you 2y square equals to 4 minus x. Okay, macam mana cari y kuasa 2? Kita pindah siapa? We are going to move the 2. Okay, semua bahagi 2 ataupun satu-satu bagi 2 lah. 4 divide 2, 2. X divide 2, x over 2. Okay, macam ni pun boleh ataupun terus bahagi pun boleh. Macam ni pun boleh. Just up to you. Oh, very fast. Okay, now we are going to put in the value. Okay, so y square is this one. Just put in 4 minus x over 2 dx. Masuk saja y square dalam sini. Nombor saya kena letak apa? Dx. First number is 0. Second number is 4. So kena buat 0 hingga 4. 0 to 4. Okay, so let's do the integration. Itu 2 boleh pindah depan tak? Can, right? Nampak nombor actually kamu boleh pindah. The 2 I bring in front. Okay? So sini saya masih ada 0 hingga 4. Sini tinggal apa? What I left here? 4 minus x. Kenapa 4? Because here 4 minus x. I move the 2 out. Saya tak bahagi 4 bahagi 2. I don't divide the 4 to 2. I maintain the 4. Okay? Itu 2 saya pindah ke depan sudah. Only number, general number you can bring in front. Okay, ini 4 tak boleh letak depan punya. Okay, 4 become 4x, correct. No x, just put. And then x become x square. 1x jadi 2x lah. X square, x1 become x square. Then over the power. Bagi kuasa baru, 2 dia. Okay, so here is from 0 to 4. Yang 2 di bawah memang kena ubah ke? Kamu nak ubah, like I said, you can do like this or you can do like this. Depends on you lah. Kamu nak buat ini ataupun buat ini pun boleh. Kalau buat ini tak payah keluar 2 lah. If you do this one, no need to bring it out already. Faham? Saya buat macam ni, so saya keluarkan 2 itu. Okay, then how about this one? Pi per 2. We put in the 4 first. Okay, 4 times 4 minus, which one easier? Okay, how about later I show you a second one? Boleh tak? I show you a second one, then you can compare. Which one you feel easier, then you do which one. Okay, so sini saya masukkan x dia 4. 4 times 4 minus 4 square over 2. Okay, then 0. Should I put in? You can put in Or you know what answer or not if I put in 0? Kalau saya letak kosong, apa saya dapat? Kosong juga kan? Okay, still 0 so I just put 0 lah. Okay, so tekan calculator. Sini berapa kamu dapat? What do you get for this one? 4 times 4 minus 4 square over 2. 8, 8. Okay, kamu dapat 8. So pi per 2 times 8. What do you get? You get 4 pi unit cube. Okay? Okay, teacher show you another method. Ini saya letak tepi dulu. I put aside here. Okay, another method is just now we say, what if I divided it? Saya bahagi 2. So maksudnya saya tak keluarkan itu 2 lah. Okay, second one is I use this one. 2 minus x per 2. Okay? Actually, both also can. Both also can. Just some student confused, so I show you. Okay, so sini. Kamu letak y square kan? Y square itu apa? Y square itu adalah 2 tolak x per 2. 2 minus x per 2. So here dx. And then sini saya letak kosong dan 4. Okay, so this one, tell teacher, when I integrate 2, what I get? Saya mengambilkan 2, saya dapat 2x, correct, 2x. No x, just put a 2x. Why I get 4 pi? 8 divide 2 is 4, right? 8 bagi 2. Okay, then this one, minus x over 2. So x become x what? X become x square. Then over 2 and then 2. Ada 2 kali 2. Kamu tahu kenapa tak? Original punya 2 dekat sini. Satu adalah kuasa punya 2 dekat sini. Ya, sebab kuasa. Original 2 and also the power 2. So got 2, 2. Ada 2, 2. Okay, so here I put in 0 to 4. Okay, so here, pi. This one I can sub in the 4. So 2 times 4 minus 4 square over 4. Terus saya 2 darab 2, 4 lah. And then minus 0, because it's 0 already. I put in minus 0. Okay, kamu kira yang dalam bracket ini apa? You will get 2 times 4 minus 4 square over 4 minus 0. Same answer. You will get 4 pi as well, right? Yang lain dapat tak? Do you get 4 pi as well? Wow, this one looks simple a bit, correct? This one simple a bit. So maybe you use this one is better lah. Tak payah keluarkan lagi. So basically 2 things is same answer, just that this one is shorter. 5 step finish. This one, wow, so many steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 6 step lah. 1 step longer lah. 1 step longer. Exclude the formula. Okay, you can screenshot. This is method 1. This is just how I say method 1, but never mind. This is method A. This is method B lah. But actually same thing lah. Just that I didn't divide the number. One is I didn't divide number. One is I divide number. Kanan complicated. Actually 1 step longer only. 1 step saja. Okay. Okay. Now I go to question C kan? Ya, tengok orang juga lah. Depends on you. But if you can understand both, it's good. Siapa boleh faham dua-dua punya? If you can understand both means you understand well already for this topic. Faham? Okay, good. Okay, so next one. Sekarang, cikgu nak cari juga, ini juga paksi X. Nampak tak? Okay, ini juga paksi X. Tapi, okay, tapi kan, sini adalah segi 4 punya. Ini adalah curve punya. This is for curve. So, you think which one I can do by using integration? Actually, both can. Dua-dua boleh. Tapi garisan dia tak sama. B can use, okay. B, we can use this one. Okay, we say about A first. A and B same or not? Calculation. A bit different, right? Okay, we say B is the equation y equals to 1 per x. Ini formula untuk B. Then formula for A is what? Siapa tahu? Ini garisan biru ni apakah persamaan dia? What is the equation for the blue line? Y equals to 2. Well done. Y equals to 2. Yes. Okay, so do you know, since this is A and B is different calculation, I must know the coordinate of this one. Saya kena tahu coordinate ini. How to know this coordinate? Use what? When y is 2, correct. Sub into equation B, guna B punya. Okay, sebab dia pass through B juga, pass through the curve also. So you can say, when y is 2, what is your x? 2x equals to 1, so 1x equals to 1 per 2, correct. Okay, kamu sudah tahu ini koordinat 1 per 2 ataupun 0.5. 1 per 2 or 0.5. Okay, this one is for this one. Okay, lepas tu saya nak cari Isipadu. Okay, let's do for A and B ya. Okay, A punya adalah start dari 0 hingga 1 per 2. 0 to 1 per 2. B punya dari mana? The formula should do start from 1 over 2 to 2. Correct. Okay, A 0 hingga 1 per 2, B 1 per 2 hingga 2. Okay, so let's do for volume A and volume B. Okay, volume A first lah. Volume A. This is pi what? Pi dx. Sebab dia paksi x, dx. So what should I put here? Inside should be what? Y square. Correct. Y square. Tapi A punya cuma bagi Y. So if Y is 2, what is Y square? Y is 2. Y square is 4. Correct. Pandai. 4. So I just need to put here y2, y square is 4 dx. 0 to half. Okay, 0 to half is what? By the way, 4 integrate become what? Kita buat pengamiran untuk 4. 4 become 4x. Correct. 4x. And then from 0 to 1 over 2. Okay, what did you get? Let's put in the answer. This one easy already. Pi 4 times half minus 0. Memang minus 0 sebab kosong kan. So you will get 2 pi. 2 pi unit cube. Okay, good. Okay, lepas dapat A punya kita buat siapa punya? B punya. Okay, we do B. Okay, B. B ada tak dia bagi persamaan? Ada. Okay, B. Okay, B is Y is 1 per X. 1 per X. Tapi sekarang saya nak Y square kan? Y square. 1 per X square. Correct. Y adalah 1 per X. Y kuasa 2. 1 per X kuasa 2. Okay, so from where to where? 1 per 2 to 2. Okay, by the way, how to integrate this one? Ini kena buat apa? 1 bahagi. Kita kena pindah ke mana? Pindah ke atas. Yes, move up. X, 1 over X square become X power 2. X kuasa berapa? Negative 2. Correct. You just bring it up. Positive become negative. Okay, lepas tu. Okay, ini kita buat. Kuasa tambah 1 bahagi kuasa. Okay, the power plus 1 is what? Negative 2 plus 1 is what? Negative 2 tambah 1, negative 1. Yes, some student they will say negative 2 minus plus 1, negative 3. No. Then bahagi lagi negative. Negative apa? 1 ke 2? 1. Yes. Divide by the new power. Ikut kuasa yang baru. From 1 over 2 to 2. Okay, let's fill in. This is pi. Can we bring it down? Okay, can you tell me if I bring it down, what happened? Saya kasih cantik sikit. This one is become what? Negative 1 over x, correct. So from negative 1 over x. Okay, from 1 over 2 to 2, let's put in. First one, negative 1 per 2 minus negative 1 per 1 per 2. Okay, can you press your calculator? Negative 1 per 2 minus negative 1 per 1 per 2. What did you get? You get fraction, pecahan punya. Three per 2, 3 per 2, betul. Okay, kamu akan dapat 3 per 2, 3 per 2. So answer of course is 3 per 2 pi, 3 per 2 pi. Okay, ini Isipadu A, ini Isipadu B. Volume A, volume B. They ask for the total volume, jumlah. So macam mana? Tambah, yes. Total up the A and B. Tambahkan Isipadu A dan Isipadu B. 7 per 2 pi unit cube. Can I move the x squared for the volume of B over to P over x squared? Again, I see a finish. Can I move the x squared for which one? For B. For B, this one move up, move over to pi over x squared. Means you put in the pi inside or what? Cikgu tak berapa faham soalan kamu. For x squared, okay, yeah, for x squared just now, this one, y squared. Y is 2, so y squared is 4. Okay, let you screenshot this one kalau kamu nak. Okay, sudah? Any question here? Siapa tak faham lagi? This one a bit long is it? Panjang panjang sikit. Yeah, it could be lah. Question exam is something like this. Oh, you mean 1 over 2 become pi per 2, then this one cannot. Ini tak boleh. Okay, ini tak boleh. You cannot do like this. I show you. You know why cannot not? For example, okay, I say integrate. Example, some student confused here. So I say pi integrate x per 4 dx. Ini boleh tak saya keluarkan 4 itu? Can I bring the 4 out? Sure, right? I can bring it 4. So pi per 4 integrate x squared. Okay, integrate x squared dx. Ini boleh. But if I say pi integrate, you say 1 over x squared. You bring the x squared out, can or not? Like this. Can I bring the x squared out? Cannot, because I want to integrate this x. Saya nak buat pengamiran untuk x. So x must stay inside. That's why they call it dx. Dx maksudnya dia nak mengamirkan x. Yeah, if bring out, you integrate the 1, no use. Okay, kita bukan nak mengamirkan x saja. Faham? Nombor boleh, tapi x tak boleh. Okay, then teacher want to ask, first line got square, means what? First line got square. You mean this one? This come from the question. Okay, sebab dia y adalah apa? What is y? Paling kanan. Oh, this one no, this one no. Saya type salah sudah. This is x only, right? X only, Okay, so let's say I say pi integrate, integrate. I say 4 minus x squared dx. Can I take out the 4? Boleh tak saya cakap, 4 pi and then integrate negative x squared. Can I do like this? No. Why no? Because this is two different terms. Ini ada dua sebutan. Unless they are one term. Satu sebutan. Ataupun kalau macam ni boleh tak? 4 minus 4x squared. Both got 4. Dua-dua ada 4. I can do integration, I can do factorization, and then I put here 1 minus x squared. Kalau macam ni, boleh. Must be a general number for all the terms. Okay? Boleh ya? Okay, now teacher want to go to next question. Soalan ini memang keluar dalam SPM lah. It's a very famous question. So, definitely you must know lah. Okay, now I go to Part CY. I change a bit the question, Part CY. Okay, dia suruh kamu cari isi padu jika dia dikisar pada Part CY. Y-axis. Okay, Y-axis means you need to look at what? Look at Y. Tengok Y saja. Okay, what is this coordinate for Y? Ini adalah 1, and then this is 2. This is 0. What if they give 4 per 3 minus x squared? Cannot take out the 3 also. Different, Okay, so sini kan, kamu nampak tak? Ini lengkung. It's come from the curve. And then this one is straight line. Straight line. So, I need to separate. I say this is A, this is B. Okay, AB, macam tadi juga. Okay, before that, teacher ask you, volume for Y-axis. Dia berputar pada Y-axis. dx or dy? dy. Okay, what I should put inside? Kalau dy, x kuasa 2. Correct. X squared. So remember, Y-axis, dy. Now the question is, I got two things that is quite different. Ada sikit beza. The A and the B is using different lines. Garisannya dia beza sikit. For A is using the blue color, A guna biru. For the B using the green color, B guna hijau. Okay, teacher want you to help teacher. Let's find for A first. Okay, before that lah, analyze a bit. A punya guna apa? A guna equation Y equals to what? X squared, correct. Y equals to x squared. Oh, no need to minus. This one no need. Okay, then it's from what number to what number? Y dia dari nombor apa hingga nombor apa? 0 to 1, correct. Nampak tak sini? A punya 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1. Okay, then for B guna persamaan apa? B is using the green color, yang hijau punya. Yang hijau guna Y equals to 2 minus X. Dia punya coordinate dari mana hingga mana? For B is using 1 and 2. 1 to 2. Use corner. For B can, for A cannot. B is a corner, so you can use for B. Cone formula. Tapi better you use integration, right? Okay, so now I'm going to do the volume A first. Cari isi padu A dulu. Okay, I'm using this formula, pi dy from 0 to 1. Okay, what is my x squared? Apakah x squared saya? Tengok sini, y sama dengan x squared. So x squared is y. X squared is y, right? Y is x squared is y. Saya nak x squared. So integrate. Can you integrate y become what? Pengamiran y squared, correct. Y squared, what has happened? It's from 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Let's sub in. Okay, y1. 1 kuasa 2 tolak kosong, kuasa 2. 1 square minus 0 square is 1 square. It's still pi. Oh, divide by 2. Thank you for reminding teacher. I forget y square per 2. Almost forget already. No wonder so weird. Okay, 1 square per 2, 0 square per 2. So you should get 1 per 2 pi. Correct. 1 per 2 pi. Kalau cikgu lupa, bagi tahu cikgu. Okay, lepas tu, kita buat B punya. Let's do for B. Okay, pi. Kita nak cari guna x square kan? I put here. X square. So, what is my x square? Y is equals to 2 minus x. Can you rearrange? Boleh susun tak? X sama dengan apa? Y equals to 2 minus x. So, x equals to? Rearrange. Y minus 2. 2 minus y. 2 minus y. Okay, 2 minus y. Negative y pindah ke kiri, positive y pindah ke kanan. So, x is 2 minus y. But, is it I want to put x? No, I want to put x square. Correct. Yes, correct. Okay, ada student bagi jawapan. X square is what? You need to say x square is 2 minus y square. Boleh tak saya cakap 4 tolak y kuasa 2? 4 minus y square. Cannot, right? Tak boleh. Mesti buat kembang. Expand using the 2 bracket. Okay, from 1 to 2. Okay, ini saya pindah tepi dulu. Tak ada guna. Okay, so let's expand it. Okay, ada student bagi jawapan. Kamu expand, kamu tulis 2 bracket lah. Okay, dah pun naik. 2 darab 2, 2 to 4. Negative 2 times negative y, negative 2y, negative 2y. Positive y square. Macam ni pun boleh. Ataupun terus buat pun boleh. So after that, what you get? So you will get here 4 minus 4y plus y square dx. Okay, so here, teacher want to ask you how to integrate. Can I integrate without expand? Pattern, this one, oh, you mean you're using the shortcut method, is it? Can also? But actually, expand is more safe lah. But of course, if you know the shortcut methods, of course, can, boleh juga. Okay, so here, integrate 4 become what? Is it 4x? No, 4y. Jangan lupa ini y. Then minus 4y become what? Minus 4y square over 2. Yes. Y square jadi apa? Y cube over 3. Yes. Okay, from 1 to 2. 1 hingga 2. 1 to 2. Okay, so let's put in the 2 and let's put in the 1. Oh, dy. Saya tertulis salah sudah. Thank you, is dy. Okay, so here we put in the 2 and 1. 4 times 2 minus 4 2 square over 2 plus 2 cube over 3 minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times 1 square per 2 plus 1 cube per 3. Okay, masukkan saja itu 1 dan 2. Put in the 1 and 2 inside the y. Okay, cuba kira. Kirakan ini berapa jawapan kamu? Four times 2. Siapa tak ada calculator boleh tengok. Ramai dapat sudah. 4 times 2 minus 4 2 square. Then over 2 plus 2 cube. Then over 3 minus 4 times 1 minus 4 times 1 square over 2 plus 1 cube over 3. Okay, you get 1 per 3, 1 per 3. So answer is 1 per 3 pi. Okay, ini untuk B saja kan? This is for B. Okay, 1 for A, 1 for B. Total up is what? B and A. We find the total volume. One per 2 pi plus 1 per 3 pi. Answer is 5 per 6 pi unit cube. Yes, good job. Okay, so far do you think that macam senang sudah topik ini? It's quite easy, right? It's not difficult question. Markah ini berapa? This one around 5 to 6 lah. 5 hingga 6 macam ni. Okay ya. MAT semua memang pendek, memang markah dia tak berapa tinggi lah semua. Easy, but kalau careless dari awal mungkin teruk. Yes, you're right. You're right. Kalau tersilap, then semua tersilap. So you will make sure that you must know where is the line, is it? Mana garisan dia? Okay, do you want to do one more question? Nak buat lagi tak? Yes, you want to do. One student, one only ya? Oh, okay, many juga lah. Okay, so since banyak, so kita buat lagi satu soalan. Okay, this one is quite simple. Quite simple, very simple lah. Ini kamu rasa saya kena buat apa? I need to do is volume equals to, okay, wait. This one is dx or dy? Dy also, because it's go to y-axis, pergi ke sini kan? Okay, y-axis here, so integrate. Kalau sini dy, dalam masuk apa? X square. Okay, so they don't give me x square, they give me x only. What should I do? I need to expand. Kan? Sebab dia punya x adalah y kuasa 2 tolak 3y. Okay, this one I prefer you not to use the shortcut method. Jangan guna shortcut sebab dalam dia ada kuasa banyak. So it's quite dangerous for doing shortcut. Better expand. Okay, from where to where? From what number to what number? 0 to 3. Yes, 0 hingga 3. Okay, let's put in. Okay, we expand first lah. We expand first. 0 to 3. Okay, y square minus 3y, y square minus 3y. Jangan terus kembang dy. Okay, so here pi. Expand y square become y4. Okay, lepas tu y square times negative 3y. Y kuasa 2 darab negative 3y minus 3y cube. Okay, lepas tu ini negative 3y darab y kuasa 2, negative 3y kuasa 3, 3y cube. And then negative 3 times negative 3 positive 9y square. Okay, dx, dy. Okay, let's do some expansion here. Integration here. Pengamiran. Y4 become what? Y berapa? Y4 become y5 per 5. Okay, minus 3. Y cube become y. 3 jadi 4. Okay, per 4. Then, actually ada 2 kali kan? Why not we just join together? Negative 3, negative 3, negative 6. Okay, ini saya join. Okay, sini join. Take note. I join become this one already. Okay, 9y square become what? 9y cube per 3. Yes, kuasa tambah 1 bahagi kuasa. Okay, from 0 to 3. 0 hingga 3. Okay, so mau bit. Tak cukup ruang. Okay, so here. Let's do, put in the 3 and 0. Okay, put in the 3 and 0. 3 power to 5 per 5 minus 6 times 3 power to 4 per 4 plus 9 3. Actually, 9 per 3 is what? 9 per 3 is 3, right? So ini saya kasih simplified. 3 cubed. Okay, 0, should I put what? I just minus 0. Sebab memang kosong sudah. Y, all is 0 already. Okay, fill in and find the number for this one. Ini jawapan apa? Three power to 5 per 5 minus 6 times 3 power to 4 per 4 plus 3 times 3 cube. Okay, berapa kamu dapat? 81 per 10, or you can say 8.1. Okay, correct. 8.1. So you can say it's 8.1 pi unit cube. Okay, so our class until here. Then before that, teacher want to ask you, do you like this lesson today? Suka tak kelas hari ini? Yes. Okay, good. So, do you want to get A in SPM for MX? Nak lagi? Sure, yes. Okay, so do you want to get a free Q&A for with teacher? Maksudnya kamu boleh tanya cikgu bila-bila saja, and then kamu boleh tanya soalan kalau kamu nak. Yes. Okay, so actually teacher is having a monthly online tuition. Okay, kita ada satu tuition. And then, okay, no worry, the fees later teacher will tell you. Sangat-sangat murah punya. So, before that, you must know that what we have. Okay, kelas apa? Kita ada 3 kelas. Maths, and account. Actually, today we got Maths. Okay, hari ini ada nanti jam 8, form 5, jam 5, form 4 punya. So if let's say you want to join also, you can register also lah. Okay, so we got form 4 and form 5, maths and account. MS and maths is in bilingual, dui bahasa punya. So dalam BM, dalam BI. Let's say your school is in BM, but you are good in BI. Of course, you also can see the question and listen to teacher in English also can. Of course, if you are good in Malay, also you can look at the Malay version also. Okay, dua-dua ada BMBI. Maybe you think that, teacher, saya ada kelas lah, cikgu, nanti saya tak boleh join. Okay, here you can see that for those who are unable to join on the time stated, you also can watch the video after class. So no worry, you can join the class anytime you want. Mungkin tak dapat join live class, tapi boleh tengok lagi video yang untuk kelas itu. You can watch it anytime you want. Okay, so let's see what you will get in the class. Okay, so first you will get live online class like today. Kita guna Zoom. Setiap kali 1 jam 30 minit, 1.5 hours. Okay, of course, you say, teacher cannot join. I got class, I got activities. Never mind, we will give you private video for free. Okay, ini video tak payah beli lagi. Once you join our online tuition, you will get the video automatic. Setiap kali mesti dapat, and kamu boleh tengok video itu banyak kali, like unlimited time, no expired date. Okay, no expired. So let's say kamu sudah sampai Oktober, November, nak tengok balik video untuk Jun, boleh tak? Boleh juga. You can watch it anytime you want. And you will get worksheet and notes in soft copy dalam PDF punya. And you will get personal one-to-one Q&A, means that you can ask teacher anytime you want. You get practice on exam question and also technique to score A+. Where the video will be? Okay, the video will be in YouTube also. Tapi adalah dalam private. Maksudnya bukan semua orang boleh buka. Okay, only those who join can open the video. Understand? It's also in YouTube. Okay, so this is a good review from previous student. Okay, you can see in here they are improved a lot. Okay, definitely ada result punya. Okay, another student, this one, she joined from last year, lesson 1, she joined, and then she get a very high marks in account. Siapa account student boleh join, because really helps you a lot, especially siapa basic tak bagus punya. Sebab kalau kamu tak pandai basic term, kamu boleh tanya cikgu juga. Okay, you can ask teacher. Okay, another student also, she joined from last year. Okay, before she joined, she get 69 and then improved to 97. Okay, definitely got improvement. Okay, asrama student boleh tak join? Boleh juga. Okay, also can join. Because although you in hostel, you cannot watch. Okay, dekat asrama tak dapat tengok. Tapi lepas kamu balik rumah, kamu boleh tengok juga. Sebab tak ada tamat luput dia. What apps I use to teach? Zoom. We are using Zoom, like today. Okay, so kamu tak akan nampak rasa macam, ayo saya sudah bayar tapi saya tak dapat tengok. Tak, kamu boleh tengok bila-bila saja. Anytime you want to watch also can. Okay, so ini student tahun ini punya. This year student. So this year student dia cakap dari form 1 hingga form 3, form 1 to form 3 she never pass. She never pass. But this time, first time dia pass dia punya maths dan juga maths. Can you believe? Tak pernah pass maths tapi maths dan maths untuk form 4 dia pass sudah. This year punya student. Okay, another student also form 4 student. Okay, form 4 student. Maths they get 100 form 4 student. And maths dia dapat 91. So you also know that it's really got improvement. Okay, so you want to know the fees? Okay, nanti sekejap lagi. Okay, nak tanya soalan, just take photo and ask teacher. But only for student who join us, bukan semua orang. Where the notes will be in our private group. So kalau kamu join, kamu akan dapat masuk dalam group kita, kamu akan nampak semua link, semua worksheet dalam sana. Okay? Okay, who want to know the price for the class? Siapa nak tahu harga dia? How to join? Okay, let's see. How to join? Berapa nak tahu harga dia? Okay, saya nak tahu. Okay, good. Okay, so let's say kamu pernah join tuition dekat luar, kamu tahu harga dekat luar adalah 60 hingga 90. Outside lah, right? But how much is my tuition class? Is it 90? No. Is it 60? No. 40? No. It's only 35 ringgit per one subject. Satu subjek 35 ringgit sahaja. Just 35. It's very cheap kalau compare dengan luar. So and you will get very worth things in the class. Sebab kamu dapat nota, dapat kelas setiap minggu dan dapat juga free Q&A. Normally tuition teacher they won't guide you in other time out of the tuition time. But here is totally free. Even public holiday you want to ask also can ask. Okay? Okay, siapa nak tahu macam mana register? Kamu boleh screenshot this page. Screenshot buka surat ini. You can ask teacher in WhatsApp or Telegram. Like how to join, how to register. Okay, siapa nak join kelas nanti punya, saya harap kamu boleh register secepat mungkin. Okay, because today we also got class. Okay, so any question, please ask teacher through WhatsApp and Telegram. Okay? Yeah, form 5 student can join form 4 also. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you, class. See you.